would say was the best run of the day. So close. He has me off the lights and he pulls hard. It's not until I hit third that I start reeling him in. And I take the win. Thanks, Big Turbo in fourth gear. Only just a very close race. I would say that he ran out of gears, otherwise I would have been burnt off thoroughly. This was my best time of the day. I just couldn't get it into the 12s.
13.2, not going to get under the 13s at this rate.
There again, none of the other streetcars did any better than me. These prep Beetles are awesome, and this one just takes a biscuit. Light, powerful enough to accelerate hard when it needs, and piloted by a really good driver. Thank you, David, for a great race.